In today's video, I will walk you through how to use grass patch in Krita. Open the brush presets docker, or press F6 if it's hidden. In the search bar, type grass patch and select the brush. Start painting using single clicks or short strokes. Click once to place a single grass patch stamp, or drag your brush to create a series of repeated grass textures. To customize the brush, press F5 to open brush settings. Adjust the size to make the grass patches larger or smaller. Change the opacity and flow for stronger or softer effects. You can also adjust the spacing to place the grass patches closer together or farther apart. For more flexibility, paint on a separate layer. This makes it easy to erase, blur, or adjust the grass textures later without affecting the rest of your artwork. The grass patch brush is designed to stamp grass textures as you paint instead of creating each blade manually. It's a good choice when you're painting landscapes, fields, gardens, outdoor scenes, or adding natural ground details to your artwork. And that's how to use the grass patch brush in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.